Hello, everyone. Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello. Sorry about that. Was just checking. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the stream, everyone. Let me try this. Oh, the text is not working. I have made some changes in my name and in the picture. Just to make it fun, I guess. Let me do text here, size. Maybe like this, but let me see. Let me see. How does it look now? Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Did I save the layout? I think I did save the layout. Why is not showing? Text in white, please. Why I can't have? Mm, okay, let's keep it like this. I think. Hello, hello, hello. Again, sorry. The layout. I think so. I don't know. I don't see the message there. I saved it. Oh, it is there, but I don't know how to change the color in this one. Very annoying. Text size, big font. Yeah, let's give it pink, white, stroke, black, and a bit of stroke here like this. Let's remove this like this. Impact, I guess I like impact. No, not too big. Okay. The background is a bit grayish. Okay. So we have to remove this from here. No stroke. Let's remove the stroke. Impact is a bit online. Arial. Okay. Let's save this one like this. Can you type something? Test. Just for a test. Oh, that's too bright. I don't know why it looks like this in here. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Background. Just try to make it a bit transparent. Okay, I think. More of it, more. More of it transparent. Okay, I guess. No. Why it's not updating? Okay, maybe like that. Let's try now. Ah, super better now. Super better. Okay. Now, let me refresh what we were doing. We were making this game. One moment, please. Stuff are messed up. Stuff are really messed up in here. So let's go for run. No, globals. Delete this and let's add the test. Scenes, test, add, and instead of here, add player, we add test of add player. Let me pull the chat here and this one here, just for better viewing. Okay, let's try now. Ah, not again, man. Okay, I think I know the problem. What is it? Every time, man, every time. Every goddamn time. Let's get a here test. Give me a moment. Ah, here. Let's do an add player. Let's do export var main. Okay, and here we do main, and here is gonna be node 3D. Okay, and in our test scene, no, ah, uh, problematic. We have a problem here. Let's figure this thing out, which is annoying. Is it the same still? Yeah, it is the same still. It's just that calling the function is a bit annoying. Let me do this. How about we do this? We had a script here. Call it main. And let's add it's gonna be connected with them. The test has add player. What if I do this? Instead of it gonna be 3D scene, change type to just node. Because sometimes it likes to do that. And its script is gonna be like this. Close. Add play here. Test dot. It does that. It does that. Okay, I think I'm understanding this incorrectly. Okay, in the main, where is the main? We open the main and we did do this. Var can add is equal to false. And this one is gonna be our main, our global. We go to add can main dot can add equal to true. This is incorrect here. True. And in the test, and here we do if main dot can add player, and then main can add is equal to false. So let's see now. Okay, perfect. Are these? Yeah, they're being removed. Okay. Okay, now I want. What do I want? I want to remove this, put this here. I wanted to see how many players I have in the group. Okay. I think I have everything set up. input here. Yeah, everything is set up. uh, yeah, this is the app problem I have, that I cannot add. So let me fix this. I want here to get one player group equal to get tree of get nodes in group player. If body dot let me print here, print the player group dot, and then zero dot name, and if player dot name is equal to player group in the index of 0 dot name, we can just go like this. So anyone can die now. Anyone that dies can spawn a player. Okay, and spawning here, I want to make it a bit bigger than 3. Or I can just make max spawn waves. Let's do the enemy. Yeah, they can hurt him. The one attack, 1 kill. One attack, 1 kill. And we want to do waves. The main test here, I want to do like a timer or for total way, total spawn, total enemies, or just total. Let's give them 20 for now, and every we want to instantiate just every timeout. We want to instantiate just not just bunch of enemy, like 20, like 10, for example, or 5. We want to spawn 5 enemies, for example. Is there a function? I'm looking if there is a function. Can loop it. Maybe we can loop it in a range of 5. Let's see. But the position is gonna be a random position. So we're gonna give them vector 3, 3, and the index of I, I dot I dot x, or just I times 50, for example. Global position dot y and global position global position dot z. I think. Let's see. So much. For random range 20. Here total is minus equals 5, and if total here, if total is small, is bigger or equal than 0, then we can spawn. Okay. So this will make us spawn just 5, 5, 5, 5. That's 5. I need 20. Let me here, maybe I don't need a random timer between 1 second and 5 seconds, for example. Let's spawn them all. Maybe we should make it bigger, between 4 and 5. No, I think these are 23. Let me see here. How many enemy spawn? I have too many enemy spawners. Let me make them just, for example, just one. Just one enemy spawner. And I want to see how many it's gonna create for us. I think these are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now wait like 10 seconds. These are gonna disappear. And we might have other ones. Yeah, 5 seconds here. And we will have another one, I guess. It keeps changing in the process. So this is gonna be here. This doesn't make sense, so it's gonna be here. And our spawner timer is gonna have 8 seconds to start with. So if we go to the timer here, there are 5. Let's just spawn others. Ah, okay. I'm not gonna make it like this. I'm just gonna make it auto start for each 1.3 seconds. Okay. Now I should get another enemy here. Why? Why is it not working? I should keep enemies every kind of seconds. Every kind of seconds. Why is this not working? Tell me. Let's make it 0.5. Let me do a message here so we see. Else print no nothing to spawn. Why it's nothing to spawn? We have total is 20. It's -5. Just -5. Print total is -5. Okay. Just once here. I think this is correct. More correct. Because I'm looping through it, and that's why it doesn't spawn, I guess. Yeah, these are 20. So if I make the timer go like, let's say 4 seconds for each. Why it spawns so many times? I made it 4 seconds to do this. To spawn the enemy. How? How you're doing this? Ten seconds. Let's go. Let's go 10 seconds. How is 10 seconds working and 4 seconds not working? Okay. Let's do 8 seconds. And let's hear times I, right? No, that's the up. We don't want it up. Here times I. And here just true, I guess. I will lower from this here. Okay, let's see how much. It should be nothing to spawn. Why it's still spawning? I think they just reached here. Yeah. Let's go to the main. Main here. Let's do another one. Var wave ended equal to false. And in the spawn manager, no, here we have to do not wave ended. We have to do a variable that can let us go to, can tell us to go to our test scene and tell us, hey, your thing ended, you win, and we show the win. So we have to do add player. Where is it here? Add player. No, enemy spawner. If the wave ended, we need to tell him the wave ended. Did I do wave ended here? Yeah, wave ended. Enemy spawner main dot wave ended is equal to true. And let's go to test. Okay, let's do another if here. If main wave ended is equal no. If wave ended game over, we're just gonna do here a victory. Victory, we're just gonna take all of this stuff, copy it, paste it, and save it. And the UI. I will do the scripts for this stuff. I just wanna get transpose this like this. Test. Add this one here. Let's try and add this one. What did I name it? Victory. And we bring it here instead. And then ready. Copy this, paste it. No, I wanna copy this and paste it here. Okay, let's try. I think whatever it is, 8 seconds is too much. Let's do 5 seconds. And let's make the enemy a bit faster. Speed 10, for example. I wanna make him go to player. Hey, shoot him, man. Okay. I paused because I guess I finished. But it didn't show this one. Victory was true. So why it's not showing? Ah, what? Where it is, man? Where it is? Let me fix this here. Victory. Okay. Text align center, I guess. Why it's not working? No, that is something I have to work on. Why it's not showing? It is still spawning more. Do I have an error here or something? Beside these errors. Hmm. Uh, why it's not showing this? I really don't know. I have no idea. Is that somehow? Test. Did I do something wrong? I don't know. I'm stuck. I'm lost. If wait, ended. Now just show me that, and then we'll see. But it doesn't show me that anyway. Why it's not showing me this? Let's try again. Input here. Yes, why is not showing me this? Let me go to test. This one. No, I have to show this. I don't want to show this canvas. The canvas stays like this. Okay, let's do another canvas layer. Victory. But this one is alone. It's not under any pressure. Can I make you alone and you become like this? And instead of this, you have this. Okay. Okay. Maybe now. Kill them all. Oh, victory. But this is not victory as it's victory. This is just the list has been finished. I have to fix it. So let's go to enemies. Uh, does the enemies have group? They do. They're in. Let's go to test. Let's go here. Let's grab our var enemies equals to get tree dot get nodes in group enemy and enemies that size is smaller than or equal to 0, then we can do that. And we will add sound effects after this stuff finish. Okay. We should add callable and int an operator. Oh, I didn't do it as a function. Rookie mistakes. Okay. I need more players with me. Oh my, I almost died. Any more? Okay, let's see. We should not have any players. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, let's do some. Let me do this. The bullet. You come here. Mesh collider. Inspector. You become. Oh, it's orange. You become a bit of orangey. And you have some uh, particles. CPU particles 3D. Okay. What does it need? I have never used this one. Nothing is visible because no mesh has been assigned. Okay. Do I have to assign this mesh for it? No. How do I do this? Time. Uh, no mesh been assigned. I never did this. Like particles, 3D particles. How do you do 3D particles? Emission. No. Draw time. No. I don't know. Scale. Let's scale it. Let's do the other one. GPU. A material to process with particle. I have never done this. Let me look on the documentation. Uh, Godot particles. Particle system 3D. Just need the documentation here. I don't know why they have CPU and GPU thing. Create a 3D particle system. Process material. Okay, I have to make process material. No, no, wait. Let's do CPU. Process material. Where is process material? Under trail. I don't see any trail. GPU particle. How about CPU? Do I have to do GPU? I don't get it. Okay, let's try GPU. Drawing. Process material. New process material. Okay. Drawing. Draw pass. New. Okay. Is this even efficient? amount 3 time, maybe like this. I don't know what the hell is this. Prep process, no. Speed scale. No. This like this. Randomness. Okay. Fixed FPS, collision drawing. I don't get it. Where's the gravity? Collision? No, no collision. Uh, just one. Well, to rotate it here? No, because it's gravity here. Where is the gravity? No. Geometry? No. This is crazy. What if I want to do CPU? Hmm. Why I feel like this is lagging? Don't get it. But I want it on this side. Uh, maybe I should change this. To trail? No. Quad? Maybe. I don't get it. I really don't get it. Let's delete this. Let's add another one. CPU. Uh, maybe we shouldn't just add this. I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. The bullet looks yellow enough. I just have to make it a bit smaller. Just a bit. Okay. Okay. Uh, we want to do a hit. We don't want to have a particle only when it hits. Let's do it. Let's do it. But I don't know this particle CPU. Why does it doesn't have the animation? No. Here, no. Is it here? velocity, radial damping. This is what I want, but I don't know what is the mesh. What? Okay, we're getting something. Material. New start material. Albedo. Let's give it a bit of orange. Or like red. Something like this. Just one shot. Just keep it. Stay. On. I want to remove this. Explosiveness. Maybe add a bit more. Maybe randomness. Lifetime. Drone. Okay. Gravity. 0. Maybe 1 here. -2 here. -5 here. -2 here. 2 here. Direction. Maybe I should remove the gravity here. And play with this direction stuff, I guess. Emission shape, point, sphere, I guess. Okay, I think this is nice. Just a box like this. Point one, point one, point one. In the x1 and the y1. Drawing. We want to make this a bit small. We want to make this a bit small. Customer B direction. No. How do I make this thing a bit small? Size 0.5, 0.5, or 0.2 even. No, 0.2. Okay. Okay. Just some lifetime, like, and I don't know how to do smoke. Maybe some other time. uh, okay, let's try this. Let me look for a smoke particle. Smoke particle. PNG. Maybe something like this. Just for simple use. Nothing crazy. Where is it? Where is it? Let's put it here, for example. Emission shape. No. Drawing. This one. I just drag and drop this one here. Material, the material here. Okay. This one is not even PNG. Uh, this one is not even PNG, man. See, it's not PNG. Let me find some PNG real pictures. This stuff is sometimes are so annoying to find. Hello? Smoke PNG. Or no blood. Explosion. Explosion. Let's try this. Okay, maybe this can work. Uh, how do I do this? I don't know. Like, let me do this. Uh, Face X, no, face Z. Uh, okay, look, this is good enough for me at least. Emit. I'm just gonna go to here. It's an enemy. You gonna dot emit emitting is equal to true. And okay. Now we see that it has to okay. We don't have much left. We only have some stuff to do. I might do them. I might do them off stream, and then I will edit a video for it. But right now it's just those annoying stuff to do, those little stuff, and we see how it goes. Anyway, guys, see you tomorrow, I guess, or after tomorrow. Happy holidays, happy Halloween, happy Christmas, and happy holidays. And hope is everyone doing great, doing fine. See See you tomorrow. Bye.